7 best small online business that you can start this year, and they are totally out of the box. Let's be honest, when you search for online business idea on YouTube, what do you usually see? Affiliate marketing, freelancing, content creation, or selling digital products. It's so funny how everyone is still reading the same script from the same dusty textbook. But here is the thing. This year is a whole new board game. That is why I have carefully selected 7 best online business ideas that you can start this year, and they are actually practical, profitable, and way less crowded. And trust me, these are business ideas you haven't seen. In fact, as we go through each of them, you will notice they are kind of connect together, and by the end you will realize that 2 or 3 of them can be combined into one unique business that fits you perfectly. Starting with something that proves you don't need to invest the next iPhone to build a business. Micro brand physical product is the number 1 on today's list. You know how everyone buy random things on Amazon and then wonder why it breaks after 2 weeks? Well, here is where you come in with micro brand physical products. Not drop shipping. Nope. I'm talking about picking one product, brand it, and sell it as if it's the coolest thing ever. Imagine this eco-friendly kitchen wrap with funky design or resistant band that actually come with a nice bag, and color-coded label or minimalist home decor that makes small apartment looks bigger. People don't want another generic Amazon item. They want products with story and personality. And in this year, personality sell. You can actually launch with just products or create simple packaging and start selling on TikTok, Shop, or Shopify. And even Etsy is still hot for unique items. And speaking of home decor and products, if people are still buying items to decorate their spaces, guess what? They also need little design magic. And that's take us straight to number 2 business idea, which is virtual interior design. Raise your hand if your room currently looks like Tornado and Ike had a fight in there. Don't worry, mine too sometimes. That is why virtual interior design is such a cool business, and you don't need to be an architect. You just need a taste, creativity, and tools like Canva, Room Styler, or Home Styler. And here is how it works. Client sent you photo and measurements of their room. Then you create layouts, mood board, or even 3D mock-up, telling them exactly what to buy and where to place it. It's just like being a digital makeover artist for spaces, and people pay for this from $50 for small room to $100 for full apartments. So this is a bonus for you. If you already branded home product from Idea One, you can recommend this in your design, and that's 2 streams of income working together. But hey, not everyone is obsessed with home design. Some are focused on getting job overseas or speaking confidently in global meetings. So that is where idea number 3 coming, which is language accent coaching. Here is the fact. English is the global business language, and while AI translation tools are cute, they won't help you to nail that interview. That is why language and accent coaching is booming in this year. Picture this, a professional in Brazil wants to improve their English for remote jobs or call center. Workers in India want to soften their accent. They don't need Shakespeare, they just need clear and confident conversation practice. Guess what? That is where you come in. You can offer a one-on-one or group coaching online, focusing on fluency and confidence, not boring grammar. And you can make it an hourly charges or monthly practice package. It's actually low cost to start, but the demand are massive. Now, coaching is cool, but some people don't just want lesson, they want experience. Something fun that they can unboss, enjoy, and look forward to every month. That is why number 4 is one of my favorites. Curated subscription boxes. Let's be honest here. We all love packages because it feels like Christmas every time, right? That is why curated subscription boxes are good, because we all love it. You could create self-care samples, international snack boxes, or productivity kits with notebook, planner, and cute pen. The magic here is recurring revenue. Instead of one sales, customer pays every single month, and you can niche down harder on both pet lovers, bookworm, remote workers, and even college students. There is a bus for everyone. Oh, and if you're already doing micro brand or coaching, you can merge it like a subscription box for language learners, and that comes with flashcard and cultural snacks. Now you can see how everything is connecting together, right? Speaking of experience, what if you didn't just send them product but also hosted an entire online event around them? That's take us to number 5, which is event planning and hosting. Remember during the pandemic where every party turned into a messy Zoom call? Yeah, not fun. Well, people still do virtual birthday, online summit, and digital workshop, but they want them to feel polished and professional. That is where virtual event planner comes in, and your job is to set up events on Zoom, StreamYard, or Hopin and coordinate activities, speaker and schedule, or offer extras like branded graphics, highlight reels, or live DJ. This can actually pay anywhere from $200 to $1,000, and the best part is you don't need to rent a hall or buy a balloon. What you just need is a good organization skill and creativity. And if you are running a subscription buses or language classes, you can also host a live event for your community, and that can build trust, loyalty, and more revenue. But let's switch gear a little from event to something everyone cares about, which brings us to idea number 6, personal health and wellness plan. Now listen, everyone says health is wealth, but here is the problem. Many people are still drawing in generic YouTube workout and diet tips. That is why health and wellness tips is now the secret sauce. The business model is solely on collecting client information with a simple Google form and customized workout and lifestyle plan in Canva. And that could focus on niche like busy mom, professionals, or even students. You don't need to be a certified trainer to start. You just need to specialize. For example, a 20-minute daily workout for remote workers who sit all day. And just like subscription, you can turn this into a recurring income with monthly check-in. You don't need to be a certified trainer to start. You just need to specialize. For example, a 20-minute daily workout for remote workers who sit all days. And just like subscription buses, you can turn this into a recurring income with monthly check-in. And here is the exciting part. We are not stopping at individual plan, because the final idea plan is to build entire community around niche passion. Niche 7 is online marketplace. Amazon sell everything, but that is the problem, and it's overwhelming. People now want a small niche marketplace that focus on their lifestyle. Imagine a marketplace just for handmade jewelries, a platform only for eco-friendly pet products as a site showcasing African fashion brand to global world. You don't need to build the next Amazon. You just need to gather a handful of sellers and collect commission on every sales. Tools like Share Tribes or Shopify multi-vendor apps make this possible without coding. And here is where it tied everything together. Alright, so there you go. 7 small online businesses that you can start in this year that don't involve freelancing, affiliate marketing, or selling boring ebooks. If you're already running a micro brand, subscription buses, or wellness service, you can expand it into a marketplace and let others sell too. That is scaling made simple. Alright, let's do a quick recap so you can decide on which one you want to choose. We talk about micro brand product, which was number 1. Number 2 is virtual interior design. Number 3 is language and accent coaching. Number 4 is subscription buses. Number 5 is virtual event planning. Number 6 is personalized health plan. And number 7 is niche online marketplace. Now, I hope you see how each one connect together. Exactly, that is the secret. Don't think of them as isolated idea. Mix and match, and you can build something that is truly unique to you. Now, tell me in the comment section which of this idea feels like your vibe. Are you the product creator, the coach, the planner, or the marketplace builder? If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more practical business idea like this. And don't forget to share it with that friend who has been saying, I want to start something online but don't know how. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget that this year isn't about doing what everyone else is doing. It's about thinking different, Start small and building smart. See you in the next one.